All right, here are the directions for the USA and Canada map. I'll make it short and quick so that you can get to work. Here's the link. Using the My Maps on Google Maps, you'll be creating a map of major cities, landforms, and bodies of water in the USA and Canada. You should label each layer so that it is clear that the items in each layer are related. Here's what that means. Click on this link. This will bring you to Google My Maps. I have a bunch that will show up here because I've done a lot over the years. So you create a new map. All right, and so now it is loaded. So here you have the title of your map. First thing I would do, let's rename this thing USA and Canada map. Save. All right, let's go back to the assignment. You've created a new map. First thing you do, find and plot the top 20 US cities by population using this link. Use the 2018 numbers. All right, find and plot the top 20 cities. Okay, so we click on this link. Let's see. Okay. Oh, now they've updated by 2019. Great. New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, blah, blah, blah. Here's the top 10. You need to scroll all the way down and you'll get your top 20. It goes on and on. I'm only asking for the top 20. So New York is the first one. Go here, search New York City. Return. Okay. Add to map. Click the add to map button. All right. Exit out of that. What's next? Los Angeles. Go back here, search Los Angeles, California. There it is. It pops up. Click add to map. All right. There's the second one. Third one, Chicago. Go back and search Chicago, Illinois. There it is. Click add to map. Now, I'm just doing 3. Okay. I want you to do all 20, obviously, but I'm just doing the abbreviated version for you. When you zoom out, you see 1, 2, 3. There they are. Now, you go back to the assignment. Number 2, create a new layer and plot the top 10 Canadian cities by population using this link. So go back. Right here, you have a layer. Oh, untitled layer. So let's name this USA Cities. Save. Let's go here, and right here you see add a layer. Click add a layer. Let's rename it Canadian Cities. Save. All right. Let's go do the Canadian cities using this link. All right. Or it's a Wikipedia page. Awesome. Okay. Toronto, number 1, Montreal, Vancouver. All right, so first one, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. There you go. Add to map. Next one, Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Add to map. Third one, Vancouver, British Columbia. Vancouver, British Columbia, pops up. Click add to map. Exit out. Now you'll notice when you zoom out, they're all the same color. So it gets kind of tricky to see what is in which country. So each layer over here, this is a layer, should be the same color. You click on the little paintbrush, boom. Let's go red, X. You got to recolor all of them. It'll help you visualize which cities are in which country, and it'll make your map look a lot better. All right, so there's 3 in USA, 3 in Canada. You have to do 20 for USA. You got to do 10 for Canada. All right, next one, questions 3 through 5. Use the chart below in a new layer. So you'll create a new layer for 3, a new layer for 4, and a new layer for 5. It's Canadian provinces. That's one layer. Major landforms. That's another layer. And major bodies of water. Okay, and so when you go back to your map, you should add more layers. Add a layer, add a layer, add a layer. So you should have 5 total layers. You go back to the assignment, Canadian provinces. That's the first layer. Go here, rename this layer Canadian provinces. Save. This one, major landforms, and this one, major bodies of water. Now, for the provinces, it gets tricky. And even so when you search, first one, Alberta. We got to find Alberta. Okay. So we can search Alberta, Canada, and it'll fall in, add to map. Okay. Next one, British Columbia, helping you get familiar with the 13 provinces of Canada. Add to map. I'll just do 2. They're blue again. Let's change the color. Oh, look at this. We made a mistake. They got put into the bodies of water. Be careful of that. We'll just drag and drop them into Canadian provinces. And we should be good here. There you go. My mistake. Rename them, color them. Let's go yellow. Let's go yellow. And you'll do that for all of the Canadian provinces. Same thing for the landforms. I would encourage you when you do a mountain range, do a couple points so you can see the mountain range. I know the first one is the Appalachian Mountains, and that's over here. I would put maybe a point here, a point here, and a point here, just to show the length of the mountain range. All right, so you'll have 5 layers. That is your map assignment for today.